Hi, this is Living Total Parts Pro today with 2018 Hyundai Highlight, stock number 7274. It's run from the 5th 2012 to the 3rd 2021. Has a D4CB 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is a D4CB 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left-hand headlight. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 17-inch factory magga tyre. Front bonnet. Left hand door mirror. Left front and left rear door, no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory magga tyre. Left hand taillight. Right rear 17-inch factory magga tyre. Right rear, right front door, no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard. Right front headlight. Right front 17-inch factory magga tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke, 4-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.